Hey, this is G from Luciole in Cognac. I'm going to be showing you how to make a Pendennis Club. A Pendennis Club is a very classic drink. It's a twist on another classic called the Paychaud Club. The Pendennis Club was originally a gentleman's club in the 19th century. That drink contained gin, so we're going to be using 40 ml of gin, followed by 10 ml of Merlet Lune apricot, then we're going to use 20 ml of lime juice, five ml of sugar syrup, and then 3 dashes of Paychaud bitters. We're then going to shake that drink. And then double strain into a coupette. And then garnished with a lime wedge. And there you go. Here is a Pendennis Club.